In this activity, I would read If You Were an Adjective by Michael Dahl. And in this book, it gives a really good description of what an adjective is and points out how you can see them in the book. So, looking for adjectives, watch for the big colorful words in the example sentences. If you were an adjective, you would be colorful, brilliant, dazzling, feathery, many-legged, slimy. If you were an adjective, you would work side by side with nouns. A noun names a person, place, or thing. And as an adjective, you would be busy describing nouns. An elephant is a noun. If you were an adjective, you would tell us about the elephant. The gray elephant is gigantic and wet. The sparkling water cools down the hot elephant. If you were an adjective, you would tell us how a person, place, or thing looks. The slender swimmer snaps a photo of the enormous whale in the deep blue water. If you were an adjective, you would describe things. The tiny kittens are fluffy. The little piglets are pudgy and pink. The colorful peacock's tail is big and bright. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something sounds. The howler monkey is loud. The boa's move is silent. The quiet mouse watches and waits. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something feels. The alligator's back is rigid and bumpy. If you were an adjective, you would describe how something behaves. The fearless plover is careful when it picks at the alligator's teeth. If you were an adjective, you might be a proper adjective. A proper adjective describes a specific object and is always capitalized. In winter, the Arctic fox's coat turns white to blend in with the snow of the Alaskan tundra. If you were an adjective, you could compare things. You would change your ending to show how things are different. You would be a comparative adjective if you compared two things. The turtle is small. The tree frog is smaller. You would be a superlative adjective if you compared three things. The lion is fast. The antelope is faster. The swift is the fastest of the three. You could be a bad, worse, or worst, or good, better, best if you were an adjective. So after reading that book, I would have the students choose a character from a movie that they have seen, such as a minion from the Despicable Me movies, and they would have to try to describe that character from the movie to somebody who has never seen the movie before. So they'd have to use different adjectives to describe the character, and then they would turn that in for the assignment.